Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to share 5 very interesting gadgets with you that I have ordered for me personally, and I thought before I use them I should share them with you as guys as well. And these are 5 gadgets and they are all, I think, very utilitarian and very important to me for different reasons, and I think at least one of these gadgets will be useful for many of you. So without any further ado, let me start. So the first one is a SIM hit, and not cheap at all because it is made of very high quality material. Comes in a very nice packaging. So it's called SIM Adapter Traveler Kit by Uniq. So it's a company that makes very unique accessories. They have their warranty card and thank you card as well. If you look at it, it's made of very high quality plastic, not paper or something, and it already has this kind of SIMs of each size that you can use to convert your SIM. For example, nano SIM to micro, micro to main SIM. And so these kind of adapters, and you also have this SIM ejector pin, this one. And you can also remove these placeholders and put actual SIMs as well. So for a person who uses multiple SIMs, or a person who uses memory cards, multiple memory cards, and for example a vlogger or someone, he can actually use these slots to put his SIMs and memory cards in this one. So this is very useful so that you don't uh, lose your SIMs and memory cards, because they are usually very tiny and easy to lose. So anything that is tiny, like a SIM, you can put it here. It's again very high quality material, very premium material. So this was our first. Again, I have ordered this for myself because I do keep multiple SIMs and multiple memory cards. This was our first gadget. Second is for privacy conscious, and which I am, is a webcam cover, because I use a external webcam made by Logitech. So I have ordered this webcam cover for the external webcam, but you can easily find them at very cheap prices for your laptops as well, which are very tiny. And this is how, on the back you have a double tape to paste them on the webcam, and on the front this is how it will look when you are not doing video call, and when you want to do a video call, just open it up and you have your window. Do the open call, video call, close them, and you can be sure that no one is watching you. They came in 2 pairs, and I think they are really good. Let me actually tell you the price of each item as well. This one costed me around 10, maybe $7 to $8. This one around $2. And let's come back to our next gadget. Imagine that you have some accessories for your car which runs by a cigarette lighter port. So those accessories that run by a cigarette lighter port, for example a fridge or anything, is useless if you're not traveling. For example, if you travel, you have a fridge that runs with the cigarette lighter port of the car, and you carried a medicine or something that you wanted to keep it in a temperature sensitive environment. Now you have traveled, came back, maybe you're staying for a few weeks and then will travel again. That fridge is useless. So what if you can actually use it at home as well? And I bought it because I do have a fridge, and I have an air inflator and one other accessory that runs with a cigarette lighter port. So I wanted to use it at my home as well, so that they are not sitting around doing nothing. So this is where these gadgets comes in. This is an AC to cigarette lighter port converter. Plug it in inside the AC socket, and you have the cigarette lighter port. Plug in the accessories of the car. You can easily use your fridge at home. And if you want to run those same accessories on a power bank, for example, then you have this USB to cigarette lighter port converter. This will convert your power bank power to cigarette lighter port, and you can turn on the fridge with the power bank as well. So I think this was useful. That's why I ordered them, because I have the same exact scenario. Again, this one costed me maybe around $10. Same for this one. And fourth gadget is this cleaner. keyboard, AirPods, mobile phone, or anything like that cleaner. So it comes in a very nice packaging, and both surfaces are very smooth. You can use both surfaces to clean your phone like this, the screen of your phone or anything like a laptop, and it will start cleaning them. And on the other hand, if you bring this area up, this is a pen like shape that you can use to clean up very tiny corners of, for example, your earbuds and your keyboard, or the sides of your screen, or the port of a device. So something like that, you can clean it, bring the dust out with this tip, and then you can use this small little brush to clean it up, that dust that came out. On one side this is, on the other side you have the small fabric that you can again use to clean some surfaces like the keyboard area and the keys, again very smooth and gentle. On the bottom we have this cleaner spray bottle, so if you remove it, you can fill it up with your spray, a glint spray for example, and then you can close it up and it becomes a, if I can close it, spray bottle. The spray output will come from here. You can use it to put some spray on something and then clean it up. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 or 5 in one kind of a cleaner for your small accessories, small digital gadgets. I wanted it because my keyboard gets really dirty. That's why. This is our fourth accessory, the last one. One of my favorite is this tiny clock made of wood-like material that I really liked when I looked at it. So I really wanted to order it. So this is how it will look on your table. On the back, you can see all the controls for your clock, and this can run on a DC power supply with this USB go to 12 volt, I think, converter, and you can also run it on AAA3 batteries, three AAA batteries. You can use them, whatever you like. Let me turn it on with a DC power supply. So with my power bank, just to show you how it will look. The ads really look good, so I wanted to see. See, I mean, if you have a really wooden, like an office material there, and you want to, if you put it there, I think it will look really good. Is it on the right side? Yeah, it looks really neat and clean. So yeah, this was the last gadget, and I think all 5 of gadgets were, I needed them. I ordered them. I thought I should share with these gadgets with you guys, and maybe they will be informative for someone. Maybe someone is looking for some, at least one of these things, and he will find it through my video. So let me know about your feedback, what you think of these gadgets. Please do share your feedback. Take great care of yourself. Bye.